a hard-boiled egg, a bottle, a piece of paper, and a match. Note that the egg does not fit down into the bottle. Okay, we are going to light the paper on fire and put it in the bottle. And put the egg on top of the bottle and watch what happens. Oh! Does it every time. And Mrs. Wheeler's going to help us get it out of the bottle this time.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, Mrs. Wheeler is going to help us get it out of the bottle this time.
Campus.
I even have it the right end down, just for you.
Thank you.
Oh!
I don't think it's perfect. Justin has the technique.
Ta-da! Yay, Mrs. Wheeler! Excellent.